This is the Cube 5-in-1 Ottoman. It's a handy space saver with 4 hidden metal pieces inside. So once you remove the top, you can access the 4 metal pieces. And then the sides of the cube actually detach. So these sides are all color-coded to each metal piece, so you'll have one that'll be a white or a brown or a green. And that way you can pair the right top to the right metal piece and build this a little quicker with a nice color-coded system. They snap on the sides as well as the tops, so they clip on and they're secure. It takes a couple minutes to build the whole system, but once you do, you have a whole 5 seats. So there we have it. We have 5 full seats now out of that 1 cube ottoman. Nice little space-saving hidden system. So here's another example. We paired the cube ottoman with the junior giant table. So as you can see, we have 4 seats on the one side and 1 on each end. So you actually could use 2 of these to seat 10 around this table. Alternatively, you could use the cube as well as some folding chairs to seat a whole dinner party. So this is a great space-saving pairing. And as you can see here, the base is actually on mobile wheels, so it can slide around. And of course, when it's all built as a larger ottoman, the whole unit will move together like that. So it's quite mobile and easy to move around. So the sides snap back into place. They have a little groove system, so they'll lock back in very easily and snap in place. So once you have all 4 pieces around that cube again, you can then take those metal pieces and nest them back into each other. So as you can see here, if you look closely, there's actually 4 different sizes there. So the very far one is the smallest, and the closest one is the largest. So that's how they can nest into each other. And again, they're all color-coded to match a certain side on that main base. So once you nest that back inside, you can put the top on. And then you can either hide it under a junior giant, like in this example, or you can hide it in plain sight in your living room. Now this cube can also be customized. It can come in different colors like yellow, brown, black, white, blue, or even a fabric of your choice that can be found at a local market. So here's the comfort demonstration. You can see it's padded and it's quite a plush seat. Of course, you don't have a back to it, but that's the design of this particular chair. So it's a space-saving, comfortable padded seat that can seat 5 people. So here are some examples of some colors we can offer, as well as custom fabrics can also be sourced. Thanks for watching.
This is the Expand modular shelving and storage system. Multiple panels can be connected to each other through L-joins, T-joins, and X-joins. Through this, you can create shelving or storage cubes, or a variation of both. You can change the direction or orientation. You can make a cube shelf to hang on the wall or as a freestanding object for storage. It can withstand 89 kilograms or almost 195 pounds of weight as a cube. Extremely strong and durable with extra structure support built inside the walls. It's very stain resistant and easy to clean. You won't have to worry about little spills as it's completely waterproof. You can even use this in the bathroom or shower. It's also very resistant to bacteria and fungus, non-toxic and formaldehyde-free and kid-safe. Comes in 3 panel options, 475mm or 18.7 inches, 300mm or 11.8 inches, 210mm or 8.25 inches, as well as the various joins which are about 3.5 centimeters or 1.4 inches. You can secure your build with the pin joints. They snap in place easily to support the structure. They are simple to take out or add in. If you want to mount it to a wall, add in the wall shelf hardware where the pin joints would go. It's a very simple system to create and it's easy to install. You can also install wall hardware upside down so you can have a more hidden look. Screwing directly into drywall will easily support books and most items. As well, you can screw into a stud for a higher weight capacity. You can adapt and make your own creative designs from existing items. For example, a rectangular cube can turn into a U-shaped bookshelf and a monitor stand. Or it also can become a taller monitor stand or eating tray. The smaller monitor stand can also be used as a wall-mounted simple shelf. You can mount it in either direction and you can switch the orientation of the L-joins to make an interesting design. It's very simple to modify your design. That's the beauty of the modular system. You can change your design with your lifestyle. Add to it, make it smaller, or reshape it into something completely new. For example, a simple cube can be transformed into a step shelf ladder, or 4 mini L-shaped shelves. Or with a variety of panels, you can make some more complicated items like a Running Man shelf. It makes for useful storage on the wall for books, toys, or other items for your children. It also works in the bathroom as it's waterproof. In the living room, it can be used for more than just shelving and storage. They make great slimline TV stands and entertainment centers. They can be good for plant holders, collectibles, office bookshelves, side tables, and more. There are so many different variations and ideas you can make with the Expand modular system. You can always add to it and make your own unique designs to fit your space. For more information, visit expandfurniture.com.
This is the Murphy sofa. It consists of a wall bed, a sofa, and allows for an optional coffee table to be left in front. The specialized sofa has built-in storage function. This is ideal for an extra set of bedding or just for some extra storage in your home. The back pillows are both removable, which allows for the wall bed to perfectly fold over the sofa as well as an optional table. The mechanics are smooth and easy. The sofa back pillows can also be used as a backrest for the bed. Overall, the transition from day to night is seamless and quick.
This is the Murphy Sofa Queen. It's a very nice tight finish. As you can see, there's only a small gap, and that's where you get the handle, so it's an overall very clean, nice look.
So here are the Murphy sofa couches again. Adam's going to sit down here and demonstrate the comfort level. If you're in Vancouver, you're welcome to come try it in our showroom. However, I know some of you can't make it down. So as you can see here, when Adam leans back into the cushion, there is some good support there. It's also soft. As you can see here, it has about a 5-inch arm. They're soft and padded. Gives some good support. It's generally a very square look to the sofa, which may seem like it is very hard by the look, but it actually is fairly soft. It does have storage function inside. So in here, you could put your back pillows. They actually fit inside this storage compartment. But you also have plenty of room for bedding, pillows. These are actually some changeable fabrics over there. If you look over here, this actually is removable. So what that means is you can take off all your fabric here and hand wash it if you have any stains, or even you could do a full changeover like this with a replacement set. And over here, you can see the pistons that we use. And you also can see how the side arms over here are attached to this sofa. So if you were in a very tight space and you needed to have this completely flush right here, you could remove the whole arm and just have a armless sofa on here. So it's quite an adaptable sofa. The legs here are raised slightly in the air. Looks like a couch is actually floating a little bit. It's quite a cool look. Here the Murphy sofa is as a lounge right now. As you can see here, it's a pretty comfortable couch. Nice soft back cushion here Adam's leaning into. The boost lifting coffee table, you can have storage inside. Use it for a TV. Then if you want to transition this lounge back into a bedroom, you simply remove the back cushions over here. You pull down the wall bed. You can see here it's called a clean because there are actually no handles. It's a hidden system. It balances midair. It's very light and easy to use. And as you can see here, it actually folds over top of a coffee table. It's a high gloss white finish. It's very, very flush to the edges here and just has a small opening for the handle. Nice gloss white, keeps your place very bright and fresh. And your living room again. So it's a very fast transition from day to night or in reverse. This little table here actually has a nook where you can leave your controller, so when the bed's down, you can still grab your controls and things at night and use that extra storage.
Although this wall bed is made in Europe, it is made to North American standards. So this is a queen size North American bed, and as long as it's under 10 inches, you will have extra room for your sheets and duvet, keep everything on when you close your bed. This wall bed, as you can see, has a depth inside of just under 15 inches. This is the actual space on the inside. Of course, you want a little bit of room for your actual bed frame and a few other things. So I usually suggest having a mattress of about 9 or 10 inches max. 9 is quite a good size. That way you have room for your duvet, sheets, pillows. Here you can see, for example, This mattress, as you can see, is just over 9 inches, which is quite a nice size. And then, as you can see from below, that makes it just over 12 inches.
There's 2 inches room for bedding.
Yeah, so you want to leave a little bit of room for your sheets, your duvet, and your pillows. So that way, at nighttime, you can put everything away, so you don't have to store anything else. There are wooden slats below, which act as your box spring, making it a little bit more comfortable and help support aeration through the bed.
This is the Murphy sofa slat system. As you can see, they're a little bit more spaced out at the start. As you get to where your body weight would be in the middle, they're more dense. And then again, where your head is a little bit more spaced out. This way, it'll give you nice airflow going through the whole system. It'll also give you a very even distribution of weight. As you can see over here, there are back stoppers for your mattress so they don't slide. And you can see the 4 pistons here that are a little bit more hidden when you have your mattress and backrest in. So this is the underlying feature of the bed that will hold your mattress up here. And again, you can keep a mattress that's around 10 inches in height. You can pick any mattress you want that's a queen size bed. So that means you can go to a local mattress store and choose a firm, a soft, a medium, or whatever suits your comfort level. There are bed straps over here. You can wrap these around your bed. Put it in. Alternatively, if your mattress has handles on it here, you can loop the strap through here into the handle and have no straps at all. The Murphy sofa does have soft stoppers to allow it to smoothly close. Part of the whole concept of the Murphy sofa system is that it's going to be a easy transition system. So what that means is that when you transform your bedroom back into your living room or vice versa, it's going to be a seamless and easy transition. So that means you won't need to move your sofa out of the way or your table out of the way, and the mechanics are going to be smooth and easy to lift and lower. So if you need any more information about the wall bed system, you can feel free to email us or visit our website at expandfurniture.com. Thanks.